So we are going to talk about the different piping electricity connections which are done in this house. So we're going to start with the garage. You see that all the electricity wires are coming over here. So this is an area where the electricity panel with the circuit breakers would be placed. And then you see these golden wires. These are the grounding connections which are going to the ground. And then you see this is the instant water connection heater. All of those water piping, they are covered with this thick foam. This is to prevent the condensation because of the temperature difference. And then you see this white pipe, which is actually the drain pipe for the sewer. So there is this washroom upstairs. So that is the connection for the commode and the sink. And then it's going down, connecting to this pipe, and that pipe is going in the foundation to the sewer. So this is pretty much about the garage. You see an electricity connection, a connection for the garage motor. Yeah. Let's go to the utility room and see what's happening over there. All of the different pipes. These black pipes are actually the water pipes. And then we go inside the utility area where the washer and the dryer is going to be connected. So this is the hot and cold water connection for the washer. And again, this foamed pipeline is for the water to prevent the condensation. And then you see this small box over here. It's actually for the dryer, for the air to actually vent. So this is hot air vent path which is directly going outside the home. So there's this about the utility room. Then you have a small panel for the wires in the utility room. And then we go inside the living area. The fireplace vent is connected outside of the home. And then you see the HVAC pipes over here. These are the different connections for the for the air inflow. And then you have this island with the drain connection and with the pipe connection for the water. And then you have another HVAC point. All of these HVAC points, another point they are going actually upstairs. See, all of those HVAC points are actually going upstairs in the attic, and I'm going to show you that point as well, where the indoor unit is placed. And before that, let's go inside the master bedroom. And again, HVAC connections. So these are the holes which are going to provide hot air in the winter, and then the cold air in the summer. So you have a tub, you have a shower area, again a water connection for hot and cold water, covered with this foam to prevent the condensation, and then you have this sink 1, sink 2, with the water and with the drain connection. And then these points are the vent fans, where the vent fans will be connected and they are just going outside the home. They are not connected with that HVAC, so it's a separate circuit. Then you have a commode connection. Now let's go upstairs. It's pretty rapidly this house is being constructed. Now you see all of those HVAC pipes which were coming from the downstairs to the upstairs and then going into the attic. HVAC pipe, another HVAC pipe going to the attic, and in the attic we have the indoor unit connected. So you see a big indoor unit where all the HVAC pipes are connected. Quite a messy situation. You see all of those are actually congested in a small area. So in this house there are actually 2 indoor units. This is another one where you see all of the different pipes are actually connected to that place. Yeah, so that is about the HVAC piping and all the different connections which I have explained in this video. Stay tuned.